Repair tips that technicians will never tell you. 1. Don't rush to replace a leaking faucet. Here's a trick. Remove this cover. Unscrew the screws inside. Take off the handle. Use a wrench to tighten the valve core, and it's fixed. 2. Don't rush to replace a leaking shower head. Separate the shower head from the hose. Remove the sealing gasket. Pry open the brass cap. Pull out the hose inside and find the leak. Cut off the damaged part with scissors. Reattach it to the hose. Now it won't leak anymore. 3. What to do if the toilet tank keeps leaking. Turn off the water valve. Empty the water from the tank. Remove the blue cap. Pull out the plastic tube. Unscrew it with a screwdriver. Take off the black rubber gasket. You'll see it's full of dirt. Clean it with water. Reassemble it as it was, and it's fixed. 4. Washing machine fills and drains at the same time. A secret that repairmen don't want to tell you. First, lay the washing machine down. Remove the panel. Unscrew the drainage component. Open it and check what's clogging it. 5. Gas stove won't ignite. Stop using a lighter to ignite it. It's too dangerous. Actually, it's the burner that's blocked. First, use a toothpick to clear the small holes. Then add dish soap, baking soda, and water into a bowl. Dilute them. Place the burner in and shake it a few times. Now it's clean. Reinstall it. Turn on the gas stove. The flame is strong and even. Follow me for more practical tips.